Comfortable weather sticks with us for one more day before we start to see that high heat and humidity absolutely take over. But as far as your Friday goes, we're still comfortable. We're still warming things up. At the moment, we're seeing a little bit of cloud cover on the horizon there. This is a live look out of our 13 WREX camera. We are going to see sunshine today, mixed in with just a couple of clouds, but we still stay dry. This morning, your temperatures are falling in the upper 40s for some. 49 degrees in Rochelle and Beloit, 53 in Winnebago. We might still drop a degree before we actually climb right near our average back into the low 80s. We're in for an absolutely beautiful Friday, so get out there and enjoy it, because you might not want to do that moving forward with the high heat and humidity moving in. Temperatures in the low 80s. We see that sun, some calmer winds. Overnight, we drop in the low 60s, so even those overnight lows are starting to improve. A couple clouds again still lingering, and we might see the same even for your Saturday. But another thing you'll notice tomorrow is the higher heat, upper 80s for the start of our weekend, and dew points will also climb, meaning it'll already feel like the low 90s. We might even see some showers and thunderstorms overnight, lingering early Sunday, but when it comes to the daytime hours, most stay dry. Temperatures back in the upper 80s for the end of our weekend. But speaking of that chance for rain, let's see what that looks like on Future Track. A lot of this comes in overnight, Saturday night, early Sunday morning. So this is about 3 a.m. Sunday. A lot of us still sleeping. We might see some areas of heavy showers at times. Here's some rumbles of thunder. It starts to slide out. This is now about 6 a.m. Sunday, so might see some light showers early. Otherwise, it all moves out, including the cloud cover. So we'll be back to some sunnier skies and, of course, the heat. And it's not just for this weekend. It dominates even early next week. Monday especially looks to be the hottest day moving forward. The heat stays with us throughout most of next week as we slowly start to cool things off once we get into the latter half of the week. But when it comes to your dew points as well, very humid air starts to move in. In terms of your Friday, we're still rather comfortable, but heading into the weekend, as soon as Saturday hits, take a look at Saturday afternoon and evening. We see a lot of that moist air taking over. That's going to help bring your temperatures up and your heat index values. So we feel like the 90s through the weekend. Then your temperatures actually make it there by Monday. Look at what it'll feel like, triple digits. So now's the time to prepare for that high heat as we still stay dry. In your most accurate 10-day forecast, we look to see a bit of a change once we get into about next Wednesday, mid 80s, but then that extended forecast does turn a little bit more active. But hey, we drop into those mid to upper 70s.